Caring for an elderly or ill loved one is a deeply personal journey. As your loved one ages, their needs may change. Understanding these needs is crucial to providing the best support. This guide will equip you with the knowledge to navigate caregiving with confidence. Assessing needs involves observation, communication, and adaptation. Recognize their physical, emotional, and medical requirements. Create a care plan that promotes their quality of life. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Many resources and support systems are available. Let's embark on this journey together, driven by love. Imagine a roadmap guiding you through unfamiliar terrain. Similarly, a care plan serves as a roadmap for your loved one's well-being. It outlines their specific needs and provides a structured approach to meeting those needs effectively. A well-crafted care plan is a dynamic document that evolves alongside your loved one's changing requirements. The first step in creating a care plan is gathering essential information. This includes medical records, current medications, allergies, and any existing care plans from healthcare providers. Next, consider their physical limitations. Can they move around easily? Do they need assistance with daily tasks like bathing or dressing? Remember to factor in emotional needs. How are they coping with the changes they're experiencing? Are they feeling isolated or anxious? Addressing emotional well-being is just as crucial as addressing physical needs. A thorough understanding of your loved one's medical history is paramount to creating an effective care plan. Medical history provides a comprehensive overview of their health journey, enabling you to make informed decisions about their care. Begin by compiling a list of their past and present medical conditions, surgeries, and ongoing treatments. Note any allergies to medications, foods, or environmental factors. This information is crucial in preventing adverse reactions and ensuring their safety. Keep a detailed record of their current medications, including dosages, frequency, and the reason for each prescription. This information is vital for medication management and can help avoid potential drug interactions. Organize these medical records in a clear and accessible manner. Consider using a binder, digital spreadsheet, or a mobile app designed for managing medical information. Having this information readily available will be invaluable when communicating with healthcare professionals. As individuals age, they may experience physical limitations that affect their mobility and daily activities. Assessing and adapting to these changes is crucial in ensuring their safety, comfort, and independence. Start by observing their movement. Do they have difficulty walking, climbing stairs, or getting up from a chair? Are they experiencing any pain or discomfort while moving? Evaluate their ability to perform daily tasks such as bathing, dressing, eating, and using the bathroom. Note any challenges they face and consider what assistance might be needed. Remember to involve your loved one in this assessment. Ask about their comfort levels and any difficulties they're experiencing. Their input is valuable in creating a care plan that respects their preferences and promotes their dignity. Openly discuss the need for assistive devices such as walkers, canes, or grab bars if necessary. Emotional well-being. Nurturing the spirit. While addressing physical health is essential, it's equally crucial to prioritize your loved one's emotional well-being. Emotional health plays a significant role in overall quality of life, influencing how individuals cope with challenges and find joy in daily living. Start by creating a safe and supportive environment for open communication. Encourage them to express their feelings, fears, and concerns without judgment. Listen attentively and validate their emotions. Even if you don't have immediate solutions, feeling heard and understood can be incredibly comforting. Observe their mood and behavior for any significant changes. Are they withdrawing from social interactions? Are they experiencing increased anxiety or sadness? These signs may indicate a need for professional support from a therapist or counselor. Remember that aging can bring about significant life changes, such as the loss of loved ones, retirement, or declining health. Home Sweet and Safe. Home modifications for safety and comfort. Creating a safe and comfortable home environment is paramount to your loved one's well-being, especially as their needs change. Simple modifications can make a world of difference in preventing accidents, enhancing their independence, and improving their overall quality of life. Begin by assessing potential hazards in the home. Look for tripping hazards such as loose rugs, electrical cords, or uneven flooring. Ensure adequate lighting throughout the house, particularly in hallways and stairwells. Consider adding ramps or stair lifts if your loved one has difficulty navigating stairs. Adjust furniture arrangements to create clear pathways for walking, especially if they use a walker or cane. Make frequently used items easily accessible. Keep medications, phones, and other essentials within easy reach. Section 7. Communicating with healthcare professionals. A team effort. Effective communication with healthcare professionals is crucial. You play a vital role in advocating for their needs and coordinating their care plan. Come prepared with questions and concerns. Bring a concise summary of medical history and recent changes. Actively listen and ask for clarification if needed. Take notes or record the conversation. Keep a journal of symptoms and medications. This helps healthcare providers monitor progress. Remember, you are an essential part of the care team. Signal Health Group, your partner in care. Navigating senior care can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to do it alone. Signal Health Group provides comprehensive support and guidance to seniors and their families. Their experienced team offers services tailored to meet individual needs. From in-home care to medication management, they enhance seniors' quality of life. They offer resources, education, and emotional support for caregivers. Connect with local support groups and financial assistance programs. Partnering with Signal Health Group ensures the highest quality care and support. Providing the best possible care. Caring for an elderly or ill loved one is a journey filled with both rewards and challenges. By taking the time to thoroughly assess their needs, creating a comprehensive care plan, and seeking support when necessary, you can provide the best possible care and enhance their quality of life. Remember that you are not alone in this journey. Many resources and support systems are available to help you every step of the way. As you navigate the path of caregiving, always prioritize open communication, compassion, and respect for your loved one's dignity. Your love and dedication will make a world of difference in their lives.